Hello everybody, in this video I'll show you how to make a dining table layout and how to make a one floor extra floor. Let's log into the uTouchPOS. As a manager, you need to log into the back office as well as a manager. From the back office, you need to select dining table layout, and you have a dining room. So first we need to create a dining room. You can do it. Let's give it a name. Let's give it a name third floor and make it a width of 900 and height same as the other one. And so save it. I think I did not put the proper way to save it. And so here we have make a floor, so you need to put tables and layout from the dining table layout. From the right side, dining room, you need to select which dining room you want to create. From here, let's give it a, from the tools we can give a background property. Let's give it a nice background, let's say. And from the properties we can put some pianos, billiard and trees. Lots of things are added here. You can put some. Let's add some. Let's decorate the floor. Set. Okay, let's put some tables here now. Let's put some tables. You can put as many as table you want. Let's put a bigger table, different size, different type. Let's put a side table. Let's put it here. And you can name it, like if you want to put it on number 1, table 1. You can name this table 2. You select it and double click on it. It will pop up the window to put your name. Let's give it table number 3. And let's save it and close it. That's it for the pretty much. You can make the dining table layout, so you can see it from the main window. Let's close it and log out from the software and log in again. And you can access your table from the left side. So third floor, you can assign. So this is that's it for the table layout creating for today. Thank you. Bye.